Hello everyone, I am here to explain the mechanism of hormone action. The response to a hormone depends on both the hormone and the target cell. Various target cells respond differently to the same hormone. Insulin, for example, stimulates synthesis of glycogen in liver cells and synthesis of triglycerides in adipose cells. The response to a hormone is not always the synthesis of new molecule, as is the case for the insulin. As we know, endocrine gland secretes hormone and hormone acts on the target cell. Now, the hormonal effect includes changing the permeability of the plasma membrane, stimulating transport of a substance into or out of the target cell, and third is the altering the rate of the specific metabolic reactions, and fourth, causing the contractions on smooth muscles or cardiac muscles. However, a hormone must first announce its arrival to a target cell by binding to its receptors. The receptors for lipid-soluble hormone is located inside the target cells, and the receptors for the water-soluble hormones are part of the plasma membrane of the target cells. Now, here is the lipid-soluble hormone. This is the blood capillaries. These are the transport protein, and these are the free hormones. This transport protein binds these hormones, and left some free hormones also. Here what happens, hormones comes out from the blood capillaries, and these green colors are the hormones. Then this lipid soluble hormone crosses the plasma membrane under the nucleus, where this red color is the receptors, and these receptors, hormones binds to these receptors and become activated. Then it is called as the activated hormone receptors complex. Then this hormone receptor complex will be activated. Then they alter the gene expression. They will enter the gene expression. Then they go towards the DNA and binds with the particular segments of the DNA. Then hormone response element, here the transcription and translation process will start and mRNA will be formed. Then what happened? The newly formed mRNA direct synthesize the specific protein of ribosome. Here basically what happened, that this steroid hormone enters into the cell and form protein, and this synthesize the enzyme. This protein is only the enzymes. As we know, steroids are in slow their action because they works through the DNA, and then this new protein alter the activity of the cell. Now this is the water soluble hormone mechanism. These are the blood capillaries, these are the hormones, these are the receptors, this G protein, adenylate cyclase. Now what happened in this process? The water soluble hormone is the first messenger. It diffuses from the blood through the interstitial fluid, and in the surface of the plasma membrane, hormones binds with the receptors and which form the receptor complex. It activates the membrane protein called the G protein. Then this activated G protein activate adenylate cyclase. Then adenylate cyclase converts ATP into cyclic AMP, which is the second messenger. It activates one or more protein kinases which is free in the cytosol, and activated protein kinases phosphorylated one or more protein kinases. Then phosphorylation activate some of the protein and inactivate others. Then phosphorylated protein in turn cause reaction that produce the physiological response. This process continue, but after that this second messenger activity gets stopped by a phosphodiesterase hormone. And phosphodiesterase hormone act on the cyclic AMP. The cell response will be turned off unless the new hormone continue to bind to their receptors of the plasma membrane.